One. Now in our design of steel structure, today we are going to see our next topic is design of unstiffened clip and seat angle connection. So now before we going to see our next topic, in the previous video we saw that beam to column connection. So various types of beam to column connection are: first is a web angle connection, clip and seat angle connection, it is unstiffened, clip and seat angle connection stiffen. वेब एंगल बीम टू कॉलम कनेक्शन कौन कौन से है? वेब एंगल कनेक्शन, clip and seat angle connection, it is unstiffened, and clip and seat angle connection stiffened. Web angle connection, it is a frame. A web angle connection is also known as the web clit connection. ठीक है, web angle connection is also known as web clit connection. Web angle connection is also known as web clit connection. It is used to transfer the beam reaction through web angle either to the flange or a web of the column. ठीक है, वेब एंगल कनेक्शन क्या है? इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वेब प्लेट कनेक्शन. किसके लिए यूजफुल है? इट इज़ यूज टू ट्रांसफर द बीम रिएक्शन. बीम का जो रिएक्शन आएगा वो ट्रांसफ़र करेगा बाय थ्रू वेब एंगल आइदर टू द फ्लैंज और वेब ऑफ द कॉलम. डबल वेब क्लिट कनेक्शन इज a preferred over the single sided web clit connection. Double web clit connection is preferred over the single sided web clit connection. So the clearance between the beam and column is kept at 2 to 5 mm to provide sufficient end distance in the web. So it is a web angle connection. It is preferred to use friction grip ball for the clit to the column connection. If ordinary bolt are used, the combined effect of the eccentric load and the clearance in the bolt holes could lead to an unacceptable twist at the end of the beam. Then clip and web angle connection. Then after clip and seat angle connection, it is unstiffened. The clip and seat angle connections transfer reaction from beam to the column through the angle seat. So there is angle seat is provided. The top clit called a clip angle. The top clit is called clip angle is provided for a lateral or torsional restraint to the top flange of the beam and is bolted to the top flange. The seat angle may be bolted or fillet welded to the column. Now the beam reaction is transferred by bearing, shear and bending of the horizontal leg of the seat angle, by vertical shear through the balls, and by horizontal force in the balls between the vertical leg and the column. The beam is designed as a simply supported beam and the column is designed as the eccentric beam reaction. So from the bearing on the clit to the root, IS 800 close 8.7.1.3 for unstiffened seat angle. The seat angle both are designed for a shear only. Then last, clip and seat angle connection stiffen. When the reaction from the beam is too larger, the outstanding leg of the seat angle must be stiffened. When large reaction from the beam occur, more number of bolts may have to be provided to connect the seat angle to the column flange. Normally 4 bolts are provided. In such a case, an additional angle called stiffen angle is provided. Packing equal to the thickness of a seat angle are used between the column flange and the stiffer angle. In general, a pair of stiffer angle is provided and the outstanding leg are tack bolted. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिज़ाइन ऑफ अनस्टीफन क्लिप एंड सीट एंगल कनेक्शन. ठीक है, अब डिज़ाइन इज वेरी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थियरी. डिज़ाइन ऑफ अनस्टीफन क्लिप एंड सीट एंगल connection. The angle B, the length B of the seat angle is assumed to be equal to the width of the flange of the column. ठीक है, अब क्या करना है, जो लेंथ B है, सीट एंगल की लेंथ B है, उसको हमें एज्यूम करना है इट इज़ इक्वल टू द width ऑफ फ्लैंज ऑफ द कॉलम. जो कॉलम होगी तो उसकी जो फ्लैंज होगी उसकी जो width होगी इज सेम एज द लेंथ ऑफ द B ऑफ द सीट एंगल. Now second, the length of the outstanding leg of the seat angle may be calculated on the basis of the web clipping of the beam. The seat leg length is kept more than the calculated bearing length. So B is equal to R upon TW in bracket FYW upon gamma M0, where R equal to reaction from the beam, TW thickness of web of beam, FYW yield strength of the web. Third, a dispersion of 45 degrees is taken from the bearing on the seat of the root line, the length to the bearing on the set. So B1 is equal to B minus TF minus plus R, where TF is equal to thickness of flange of beam, R1 equal to root radius of the beam flange. So the distance between the end of bearing on a seat to the root of angle B2 is equal to B1 plus C minus TA plus RE, where C is equal to clearance and tolerance, 5 mm plus 5 mm is equal to 10 mm. TA thickness of angle, RA root radius of angle. Now for the connected leg is so chosen that the least two horizontal row of bolt can be accommodated. So the reaction is assumed to be uniformly distributed over a bearing length B1. The thickness of seat angle is so chosen that the outstanding leg does not fail in bending. So the bending moment at the root of angle M is equal to load on a seat angle multiplied by B2 by 2. So M is equal to R into B2 by B1 multiplied by B2 by 2. So the moment capacity of the angle is given by MD equal to 1.2 ZE into Fy upon gamma M0, where ZE equal to section modulus of the outstanding leg of the angle. If MD is greater than M, the section is safe. Now next, the shear capacity of the outstanding leg of seat angle is given by VDP is equal to WF minus TA into Fy upon root 3 into gamma M0, where WF equal to width of flange of beam, length of seat angle. If VDP is greater than R, angle is safe in shear. So the shear strength of beam VD is equal to AV into FYW upon root 3 into gamma M0. It is also given as IS 800 2007, page number 59. So number of balls required to connect the seat angle with the flange of column. So N equal to N reaction upon bolt value. N reaction upon ball value. The outstanding leg of the seat angle is connected to the flange of the beam with two balls of the same diameter is provided on the connected leg of the seat angle with the column flange. Or a clip angle of nominal size is provided on the top flange of the beam is connected by two balls of the same diameter is provided on the seat angle leg. Now next is design of Stepan clip and seat angle connection. So size of seat angle is assumed on the basis of the bearing length required. Bearing length B is equal to R upon TW upon FYW upon gamma M0. Next, the outstanding leg of the stiffener angle must provide to required bearing area. So bearing area of the stiffener angle A is equal to R upon Fy into YMO, where R equal to reaction from B. So the thickness of the stiffener angle should be more than the thickness of the web of the beam. Also, to avoid local buckling, the outstanding leg must be not exceed 14 TQ, where TQ is the thickness of the angle. So the seat is not flexible, hence the reaction is assumed to have greater eccentricity. So eccentricity of reaction from column flange Ex equal to length of the outstanding leg of the seat angle divided by 2. M equal to R into Ex. So it is assumed that the reaction act at the middle of bearing length. The balls in the connected leg are subjected to moments in addition to the direct shear. The connection behaves as a bracket connection type 2. So number of balls required N equal to in bracket in square root 6m upon MP BP, where M equal to moment is equal to R into Ex. So M equal to number of vertical row of bolt, P equal to pitch of bolt, VDB equal to bolt value. So moment resisted by bolts in tension. So M dash equal to M upon 1 plus twice H upon 21 into summation Y upon summation Y square. Tensile force on a critical bolt TF equal to M dash YN upon EY square. So YN equal to H upon H by 7. So H equal to depth from bottom to the topmost bolt in the connection. Check for combined capacity. So VSB upon VDB whole square plus TB upon TDB whole square less or equal to 1. So a clear angle or a clop angle of nominal size is provided at the top of the beam and is connected with two balls of the same diameter as no on the seat angle. So two balls are provided on each leg of each cleat angle. So this design criteria is also given in IS 800 2007 page number 76 close number 10.3.6. Okay. So for the design of unstiffened clip and seat angle connection, first of all, the length of B of the seat angle is assumed to be equal to the width of the flange of the column. B equal to R upon TW upon FYW upon gamma M0. B1 equal to B minus TW TF plus R1. BT equal to B1 plus C TA minus RA. M equal to R into B2 by B1 into B2 by 2. Moment capacity MD is equal to 1.2 ZE into Fy upon gamma M0. VDP equal to WF into TA Fy upon root 3 into gamma M0. N equal to N reaction upon bolt value. Second is design of stiffened clip and seat angle connection. So B equal to R upon TW FYW upon gamma M0. A equal to R upon Fy into YM0. Ex equal to length of outstanding leg of a seat angle divided by 2. So M equal to R into Ex. N equal to square root of 6m upon MP VBP. M moment equal to R into Ex. Moment resisted by bolt in tension to m dash equal to m upon 1 plus twice h upon 21 into summation y upon summation y square. So tensile force on a critical path Tf equal to m dash yn upon summation y square. This formula is also given in IS 800 2007.